Shannon here. You know, I'm learning quickly that it takes more than just a village to raise a child. During this weird time we're experiencing, to get garden education to kids in homes, we're really finding out that it takes an entire community effort of generous and philanthropic people and organizations. So I'm going to run through what it's taking us to assemble 250 home science and garden kits for kids at a local elementary school and talk about some pro tips I've learned along the way. So here's the setup. These are all the materials we are needing to assemble all of these garden and grow at home kits we're going to put together for the kids for the pickup next week. So starting off, we needed something to hold everything. I approached the local Sprouts and the store manager there, Mark, and he graciously gave us, for free, 250 brown paper bags. Next, Shane was able to acquire over 250 one-gallon pots from a nursery up in Northern California called Rana Nurseries. Very cool place, check them out. We have 2 huge bags of soil donated from Rob at Ag in the Classroom, so we can't thank Ag in the Classroom enough for their continuing support of our efforts. And then John Lewis from Master Gardener Grant accepted a $500 grant that I wrote for the rest of some of these supplies. So we were able to purchase baggies, paper towels, journals, so the kids can all make garden journals at home. We have these reusable cups. We're going to be doing some seed experiments. So that took up almost $500 worth of stuff, and I have a couple pro tips along the way we'll talk about. Then we also have Home Depot donating seeds. That was Marco at Home Depot that donated just tons and tons of seeds, so I was able to separate. Every kid's going to get 4 bean or 4 pea seeds to start a seed observation experiment at home. And I forgot to mention the paper that goes inside the journals. And because we have K through 5th at the school, each grade needs a different type of paper. So I was able to talk to a teacher there and know exactly what they needed. So first, kindergarten needs the horizontal with the picture up top. First and second needs the vertical with the picture up top. 3rd through 5th needs wide ruled. We're also adding in magnifying glasses for all the kids to observe their seed growth and their future plant growth. So what is the ultimate goal of assembling these kits and getting these to the kids in their homes? Well, it's to keep the kids connected and curious about their garden space at their school and maybe even inspire them to start something in their own home. None of this could be possible without the generosity and support of Sage Garden Grant, specifically the people involved there. And those people are seriously angels. We have Annie, Dawn, Karen, and Grace that keep that ship running. So we appreciate you, we applaud you, and we can't thank you enough. A couple pro tips I learned through this process. Number 1, write out all of the materials you're going to need. Otherwise, you will forget them. I forgot to budget for paper towels, plastic baggies, and something to hold all the materials. So what did I do? I figured out a way to save some money, and that was by purchasing through Business Costco. If you have a Business Costco near you, we have one just a few miles away. That saved me about $25 in materials. And then the other purchase was through Amazon Business, which saved me another $50. So I was able to reallocate those funds into acquiring those things that I forgot to add onto the Master Gardener's Grant. And ultimately, I'm just hoping the kids get something out of this because I am having a blast putting it all together. Keep growing, keep connected, and keep curious.